Sailing downwind in Broad Reach. About 15-20 knots maybe. Let's go see how things look up on deck.
Serious current moving us south. We're way down here.
All right, we need to make a correction for that.
Maybe even heading as far high up as Watch Hill.
Mm-hmm.
Put us about there.
Look at these hands, people. Look at these hands. Oh, those are the hands of a master helmsman. Look at him go, left, right. Can't decide which way he wants to go. It's all over the place.
I don't know if I'm coming or going.
We struck the sail and it was fantastic. What was your take on it?
I just had the best time. Best time I've ever had striking a sail. What I learned is that I can do it, you know. I have more to learn, more experience to gain, but I can totally do this, you know, and I really like it. I like traveling this way.
Very exciting. Just been staring in Joshua Cove, making great time. Just threading the needle here. It's been quite exciting.
Shift just a little bit. There might be one little gust that shifts us off our course, and that's called getting headed. So now this is your close hauled course, where 5 minutes ago it was here, right?
Ready. Helm's over.
Remember, you want to take some wraps off that winch. So you want it to pop. There you go. That was nice.
That was really nice.
Keep it going right out.
And now come right to a close reach. All right, we're one boat length away.
All right.
And let's stop the boat here.
All right, so let's...
And you can head up a little bit more.
That's good. So Peter, try not to let that go too crazy, but we don't want it to catch wind. Now, what are we looking at?
We're looking at, what's the name of this lighthouse? It's called, it's on the other side of the chart reef. Stratford Shoal Middle Ground.
Very nice.
It is, it's a really beautiful kind of old Gothic old lighthouse. I think the Adams family lived there at one point. Fortress of Solitude.
Yeah.
Very good, very good.
All right, we got a bearing on the lighthouse. All right, the lighthouse is at 285.
285.
285.
Fun. Just gliding down Long Island Sound here. Calm day. What's for dinner?
A little pasta.
Looks beautiful. Gosh almighty. Looks like you supplemented that sauce a little bit.
No, actually, we didn't have onions, so I used green onions.
Green
That
onions.
was Kara's suggestion.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's out of the recipe.
It's, oh, cool. Looks awesome. It's a haul of discovery. We just keep hauling and discovering things.
Keep going, haul away.
Sailing under Maine, jib, and staysail. Down. Coffee in hand. That's how good he's gotten at steering.
That's right.
He can drink and drive at this point. It's the final morning, and you're feeling like
It's been a great trip.
that's it.
Yeah, I wish it was 9 days longer.
9 days longer.
9
All
days
right,
longer.
we can. Want to do a 15-day trip?
Let's do it. If that trip happened, I would totally do it. That would be great.
I said it first.
That's true. Jeremy's got
He's got first dibs.